Let us develop a logic to test whether a given number is positive or negative. Logic to test if a given number is positive or negative. So step 1, we will start the process. Step 2. In step 2, we have to provide the input to the computer. Here, whatever number we have to test, that number we have to pass as input to the computer. That means take the number input num. Input num means take the number from the keyboard and give it to the program. Now this num is a variable, of course. In this variable, whatever the number we have typed, that number we have to test. And we want to test if a number, that means if this number num is positive or negative. So how can we know if this number is positive or negative? We know that if the given number or any number is greater than 0, then it is positive. So I can say print positive. Otherwise I can say print negative. So this is the simplest logic generally used by most of the students. If the given number is more than 0, greater than symbol we should use, greater than 0, then print means then display it is a positive number, else means otherwise, print, that means display it is a negative number. So our task is completed. We can stop. So these are the steps in our algorithm. Let us check whether this algorithm is correct or not by writing a Python program. So I am opening a Python Guy IDLE integrated development environment. There I am clicking on file, new file. So it is opening a blank page. Here I can type my program. So in the first line I am typing the aim of the program to test if a given number is positive or negative. So like this we can put the comment. Then we will go for the second step in the logic. The second step is input the number from the keyboard, of course. So I want to accept the number from the keyboard. So num is equal to integer of input of enter a number. So here what happened is this input function will display enter a number and it will wait for our input. Suppose I am typing 10, 15 minus 10 any number. It will take that number as a string. String means it will take it as a characters, and those characters I should convert into integer number. That means into numeric format I have to convert. For that purpose I should use int function. So this int function will convert this string into integer and returns that integer into this num variable. Now the next step is if num greater than 0, then I have to write colon. In Python, we are of course here writing a Python program. In Python, you write if and a condition. After the condition, you have to put a colon symbol. This colon symbol represents that you are starting the body of if statement. So after colon, we are writing the body of if statement. Now here I am writing print. So this is a function, print function. Print here I want to display num, comma, is positive. So here I am displaying two things. I am displaying the number and I am displaying whether it is positive. That means here suppose I have given 10. 10 is positive. That is what I am displaying. Else I can write else here and put a colon symbol. So here after colon, whatever you are writing, that is taken as a part of this else statement. So after colon, I have to write the statements. So here I am writing a print num is negative. This is what I am writing. Now how to understand this code? If num greater than 0, that means if this condition is true, then display that number, and after that number it will display is positive. Otherwise, else means otherwise, print display that number is negative. So with this our program is complete. Now save the program, file, save. I am not giving any name for my program. Simply I am giving a name like X. I am not giving a specific name. I am taking it as X. Save as type Python files. So my program is saved as a Python program in a E drive. So I am saving my program in E drive and click on save. Already x.py file exists. Do you want to replace it? Yes, I want to replace that. Now this code has replaced the old code. Now let me run this. Run module. Enter a number. I am entering a 10. Now it is displaying 10 is positive. Once again I want to test my program. Run module. So it is asking me enter a number. Minus 10 I am giving. Minus 10 is negative. That means our program seems to work correctly. Once again I am testing my program. Run module. Enter a number. I am giving a 0. Now it is displaying 0 is negative. Please observe 0 is neither negative nor positive. Please remember 0 is a number which is between positive values and negative values. It is in the middle. That means 0 is neither negative nor positive. So our program should display like this. If I am giving a 0, our program should display it is 0. It is neither positive nor negative. But what our program is doing is it is displaying it is negative. So this is a wrong output. So how can I modify my program? Please observe this. I have to add one more condition. If my number is equal to 0, please remember double equal to symbol. This double equal to symbol represents equality. That means I am comparing this number and 0 equal or not. Yes, both are equal. Then that means colon I am writing. Then what I have to display? Print number is 0. Say I can write directly it is 0. That means it is neither positive nor negative. So now our program is better. If given a number is equal to 0, that means if I compare the given value with 0, both are equal, then display it is 0. Otherwise means I have to write here else if, that means one more condition I am testing. Else if number greater than 0, then display it is a positive. But in Python, whenever we are writing else plus if, we have to write elif. So elif means else plus if. That is what you have to understand. So else plus if, that means else if num greater than 0, display that num is positive. Else means otherwise, display that given number is negative. So like this we are testing three conditions. Please remember, if the given number is equal to 0, this is one condition. Given number greater than 0, this is another condition. Here I am writing else means given number less than 0. That means when this condition and this condition both are not correct, not true, then you will come to the else part. So file save, because I have modified my program. Save it once again. Run module. It will ask me enter a number. Suppose I am giving a number something like 0. It will display it is 0. Run module. Once again I am running my program. Suppose I am giving a -5. Then what happens? It is displaying -5 is negative. Why it is displaying -5 is negative? Because you have stored -5 in this number. If -5 is equal to 0, is this condition true? No, -5 is not equal to 0. So this condition is false. Then you will come to elif. That means else if -5 greater than 0. Is this condition true? No, -5 is not greater than 0. So this condition is also false. Now you will come to else part. Here you need not check the third condition. Else if num less than 0, that you need not check. Why? Because when a number is not equal to 0, not greater than 0, then it will be definitely less than 0. That means this else represents the number is less than 0. Then this statement is executed. So it will display -5 is negative. So this is the way you have to write the correct program to test the given number to know whether it is positive or negative.